Welcome to Infinite Infotainment, where we uncover hidden secrets to better health and wellness. It was the middle of winter, and Lisa was at her wit's end. No matter how much lotion she slathered on, her skin remained dry, flaky, and irritated. Every morning she'd wake up to tight, itchy skin, and by midday, her hands looked like they belonged to someone twice her age. She had tried everything, expensive moisturizers, hydrating creams, even DIY treatments, but nothing seemed to work. One evening, while complaining to her grandmother about her struggle, the elderly woman chuckled and handed Lisa a small bottle of golden oil. "Forget lotions," she said. "Your skin needs real nourishment, not just a temporary fix." Skeptical but desperate, Lisa gave it a try. The next morning she was shocked. Her skin felt softer than it had in years, hydrated, glowing, and smooth. So what was in that bottle? And why do natural oils work better than store-bought lotions? You might be surprised to learn that some of the best moisturizers are already in your kitchen. In this video, we'll reveal 7 powerful natural oils that deeply hydrate, repair, and protect your skin better than any lotion ever could. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's be honest, most lotions promise the skin of a goddess but deliver, well, disappointment. You slather it on, feel moisturized for about 10 minutes, and then, poof! Your skin is back to looking like a dry, cracked desert. And don't even get me started on those fancy, overpriced creams that smell like a perfume shop exploded in them. Here's the deal. Most lotions are packed with water, alcohol, and synthetic fillers that give the illusion of hydration. But they evaporate fast, leaving your skin thirstier than before. Natural oils, on the other hand, don't play games. They penetrate deep into your skin, sealing in moisture, repairing damage, and even fighting off signs of aging. I learned this the hard way when my friend suggested I switch to coconut oil. At first I thought, great, now I'm going to smell like a pina colada all day. But within a week, my skin felt softer, looked healthier, and, bonus, I didn't have to reapply lotion every 5 minutes. So, if you're tired of the lotion letdown, it's time to make the switch. Your skin deserves the good stuff, pure, powerful, and straight from nature. Let's start with one of the most popular natural oils, coconut oil. If you've ever used coconut oil for cooking, you know it's rich, smooth, and packed with nutrients. But did you know it's one of the best natural moisturizers for your skin? Coconut oil is loaded with medium-chain fatty acids that penetrate deep into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration. Unlike lotions that sit on the surface and disappear after an hour, coconut oil forms a protective barrier that locks in moisture and prevents dryness. It's also an antimicrobial powerhouse. If you struggle with body acne or fungal infections, coconut oil can help fight off harmful bacteria while keeping your skin soft and supple. And the best part? It smells amazing, like a tropical vacation in a jar. But here's a little warning. If you have acne-prone skin, using coconut oil on your face might be too heavy and could clog pores. So, if you're using it, keep it for the body and enjoy the luxurious, long-lasting moisture it provides. Argan oil has been called liquid gold, and for good reason. Extracted from the kernels of the Moroccan argan tree, this oil is a skincare miracle. Unlike lotions that contain artificial moisturizers, argan oil is naturally rich in vitamin E, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids that restore dry, damaged skin. It absorbs quickly, making it an excellent option for people who don't like the greasy feel of other oils. One of the best things about argan oil is its anti-aging properties. It boosts skin elasticity, reduces fine lines, and improves overall skin texture. If you've ever bought a high-end lotion that claims to have argan oil, check the label. You'll probably find that it's listed as one of the last ingredients, meaning there's barely any in there. Why settle for watered-down products when you can go straight to the source and get the full benefits? Just a few drops of pure argan oil can leave your skin glowing, hydrated, and incredibly soft. Jojoba oil is unique because it closely resembles the natural sebum your skin produces. This means your skin recognizes it and absorbs it effortlessly. While many lotions feel heavy or greasy, jojoba oil delivers deep hydration without clogging pores, making it perfect for all skin types, even oily or acne-prone skin. Unlike synthetic moisturizers that just sit on top of your skin, jojoba oil works by balancing your skin's natural oil production. If your skin is too dry, it adds moisture. If your skin is too oily, it signals your glands to produce less sebum. That's why many dermatologists recommend jojoba oil as a natural alternative to chemical-laden facial moisturizers. And here's something fascinating. Jojoba oil doesn't go rancid like other oils, so it has an incredibly long shelf life. That means you can store it for years without worrying about it losing its potency. For centuries, olive oil has been used as a natural beauty treatment. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans swore by it, and now modern science confirms its incredible skin benefits. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants and squalene, which help to deeply nourish and repair the skin. If you've ever used lotion only to find your skin feeling tight again in a few hours, you need to give olive oil a try. It penetrates deep into the skin layers, hydrating from within, and providing long-lasting moisture. It's especially great for people with eczema, psoriasis, or extremely dry skin. However, one thing to keep in mind is that olive oil is thicker than some other oils, so a little goes a long way. Warm a few drops between your hands and gently massage it into your skin, and you'll notice an instant difference. Almond oil is one of the best oils for soothing irritated or sensitive skin. If your skin is prone to redness, rashes, or inflammation, almond oil's high vitamin E content helps to calm and repair damage. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly, making it a perfect daily moisturizer. Another amazing benefit of almond oil is its ability to reduce dark circles under the eyes. Many eye creams are loaded with artificial ingredients and barely make a difference, but applying a drop of almond oil under your eyes before bed can brighten and hydrate the delicate skin, making you look more refreshed in the morning. Avocado oil is a hidden gem when it comes to skincare. If your skin is extremely dry, flaky, or damaged, this oil is a game changer. It's packed with omega fatty acids, vitamins A, D, and E, and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Unlike lotions that only provide temporary relief, avocado oil heals your skin at a deeper level, making it softer, more resilient, and healthier over time. It's especially beneficial for aging skin because it boosts collagen production, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. And here's a fun fact: avocado oil is one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the deeper layers of your skin, providing intense hydration where it's needed most. Last, but certainly not least, we have rosehip oil. If you want your skin to glow like never before, this is the oil you need. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin C, which brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and boosts collagen production. It's lightweight and non-greasy, making it perfect for both oily and dry skin types. What makes rosehip oil truly special is its ability to repair damaged skin. If you have scars, stretch marks, or sun damage, applying rosehip oil consistently can help fade them over time. Many high-end beauty products contain rosehip oil, but instead of paying a fortune for a small amount, why not use pure rosehip oil and get the full benefits? Switching from lotion to natural oils is more than just a skincare upgrade, it's a game changer. Unlike commercial lotions that evaporate quickly, leaving your skin dry again in no time, natural oils deeply hydrate, repair, and protect your skin for lasting softness and glow. Whether you choose coconut oil for intense hydration, argan oil for anti-aging, jojoba oil for balancing, olive oil for deep nourishment, almond oil for soothing, avocado oil for healing, or rosehip oil for skin renewal, your skin will feel the difference. The best part? You're not just avoiding artificial chemicals, you're giving your skin the pure, unprocessed goodness it truly deserves. So, why waste money on watered-down lotions when nature's most powerful moisturizers are readily available? Now it's time to take action. Try swapping your lotion for one of these natural oils and experience the difference for yourself. Have you already made the switch? Drop a comment below and let us know which oil works best for your skin. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more natural health secrets. Your skin will thank you.